Hello guys, are you using the latest MIUI version, that is 9.5.13.0 audio update? Have you updated your phone to that and you're not able to use the Google Assistant? Yes guys, this is the major problem faced in the MIUI 9.5.13.0. Yes guys, so I have with the solution to get the Google Assistant on your Redmi Note 5 Pro 9.5.13.0 MIUI version, that is Oreo 8.1.0 version. Then while waiting, come let's get started. To get the Google Assistant on your Redmi Note 5 Pro, first you have to open the Play Store and search for Google Assistant application. And yes, after you get the Google Assistant application, just install it and it gets installed in few seconds. Now clear all the apps which you have opened in your phone and just take a look whether it is installed successfully or not. After it is installed, just drag the assistant to the middle of your buttons like call, messages, browser and camera. Take it to the middle because it helps you to open the Google Assistant easily, and clear again all the apps. And okay, now let me click on this app so that I got the Google Assistant now here. Yes guys, this is the latest trick which I have found out, so you can use this now. Enjoyed this video. If you have really enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.